What up, Yanka? Abuye! You know this is Harry Toddler, representing for OneKnockTV, me and the whole family. Right now, you know, it's a puppy killer. Talk to them.
I say, what is flick now? Flick. I say, me there with Harry Toddler. I say, Harry Toddler artist. This is me.
Man move. You hear me now? Israel boss.
World Israel boss, they are checking. You hear that? Family are do. You hear that?
You understand? And people, what is up on the far end? DJ Tom. One of the baddest thing I select music right now.
New sensation, DJ Tom, aka Road Boss. Our material around the world. Check them out. You hear?
I mean, well, Ross.
So, Harry Toddler, how you doing?
Yeah, man, staying up, we up.
So tell us what you have been up to since lately.
Right now, I'm up to this music king. Right now, you know, say, I got a few singles out on the streets right now, and you don't know, them are the good. You know, so they help a DJ Tom and I kill Marvelous them, and you don't know the rest of selectors them were add to the game. If big up ravers them, still big up the youth them from my place, you don't know. Insane them and them youth there. You know, so right now, Earthlings them. And you don't know, the whole team, Downsound Records. I understand that big up Chopback and Lock City. Because you don't know, a teamwork make dream work. You understand? I'm up to a whole heap of things, people. You don't know my thing. Never water done. You understand? Staying up. God over devil myself, so that's ever Satan. Abu, yeah, man.
So tell us about the little thing you have with Downsound.
No little thing, kid.
Big thing.
My thing not really out.
Ah.
You don't know. The thing that's small up. My dancehall heritage. Been around forever. You understand? So nothing little about my thing. You don't know me. It's like I represent the whole nation. I'm like the flag for the nation. My dancehall heritage, as what I said. And all my things stay. And the people them can't tell them. I like home like a book. You understand? I live for the streets and the street live for me. So all the things stay that right now is not like a Downsound Records. It's been around for a good period of time, and you don't know Joe scattered them and the whole family, shaded them and the whole staff. It's a great team. I can't tell you that because them stand up for music. You understand? And Joe is the man who come from way out of a different part of the world and come stand up for our music. So I have to big up Downsound Records. Right now, Downsound them respond for SumFest. And that's a great accomplishment for Joe because a long time the boy a whole heap of artists they bring on the front and make when them name get big out there, them turn millionaire. So Downsound is not a small thing, not a little thing. Big thing, way up thing, staying up. Yeah, man.
I already mentioned SumFest earlier. Can you tell us a little bit about that performance?
That's what, yeah. Right now, God no. Tom, right now, I'm not telling no lie. My brother them say, youth, for my friend them, tell me the car, we speak the truth around each other, you understand? So, them say, Toddler, you perform great. I mean, the humble artist perform on SumFest without an harmony singer, without, you understand, someone that carry harmony for me, or, you understand, our dancers around me and everything there. So, I just go there with God, and SumFest performance was a great performance, you understand? Because Mr. Gusam them, you don't know Mr. Russell them look for me after the performance and they say, Toddler, God know, we should put you a little later, we didn't know you'd have this fire. And I say, you see it, because it's way you know, he's a fool too. But me confident myself from day one until this moment. So I know say right now, we have a perform good car. I see a boom boom company TV and say, Toddler, I do a good, great performance. And I couldn't believe you. And I said I couldn't believe it. But I never know that you still have the confidence and say, yo, that you can't do anything, you know. So you know, so I live for the streets and the street live for me. So right now, we can't fail. One knock, we're on the way. Mad move. Abu, yeah.
Yeah, as you were saying, like, you're no new kid on the block. You're a veteran DJ.
No, heritage.
Heritage
Yeah.
DJ, you know? And what are some of the issues, knowing that it's a dancehall has changed a little bit since when you just started, you're facing?
Well, dancehall changed to the better, you know. Because we can't tell you say I must be the better star. Because you have to accept the new youth there. Because when time Toddler was coming out, you know, so Butcher accept, we came to them accept, we understand, and I hold it more bigger star them accept us, so you have to accept them youth here, that's modern time. Because them youth that like them sing on dancehall, R&B, we are raw dancehall artists. You understand? So you have to accept the change from Steve with them come change the game. You know? Freddie kids them come change the game and do a whole heap of thing them. That do a whole heap of thing for the new school. So you have to accept new things, you understand? The new talent them, you have to accept them because public hero them bad. You have to accept them because when time we come out with the feel love from the bigger artists them. So when them see a new youth right now, because I don't know most of them, I swear. Because I know Mr. Man, I'm running king, man. I'm a textiles. So I don't know most of them, but I listen to their message and they deliver right. You understand? And what they me listen to a song, but you name Jamil too. You understand? Because something like with Ed Cornerstone, the Ed Cornerstone tune, I listen to me and say, no, the beauty is sing righteousness. You understand? So you have to accept the new talent, you understand? DSR, they might build big read. Them mother beat big. So you have to accept. It's not like one time I just 1 star about or 2 star. You have a whole showcase of star right now. We talk about new talent, them bad thing. You have to accept them. All my things there, I got over devil myself. Still I say Satan. Your dancehall heritage. Right now, I don't care who know I like and who know I rate. I have to accept my message that I'm going to deliver from the 90s until this moment. I mean, it's a bad man, I'm just like girl kid, man. It's a certain boy, I don't want a friend from them. I mean, it's a bun fussy hole and them friend king, man. I mean, say a beer girl want me. Butcher Banter say, I'm me and the first man sing a girl is true boy. I mean, say get girl easy in a king, man. And they brought back already. But was never already come back from prison in a king, man. They are dancehall heritage, you know. I mean, say dance the angel in a king, man. Where someone kill themselves who are dancing right now. I mean, bring coordination in dancing. A Bobo tell me that, a dead man tell me that king, man, in spirit gone. And he tell me that when he was living, coordination. When he said move to the left, and then move to the right, ja. You understand? Different thing coming in dancehall. So when we add to dancehall right now, me and my bridging them from scare them days, we bring image to music. You understand? We bring a different thing to music. So our thing the lily, our thing the small boy, our thing the up. Yeah man, God up man.
Staying up.
Staying up. Abu
Yeah, so I know you have a new song with Blizzard. You just stepped in.
Yeah.
And the bounce around with him.
Now I talk about that alone. You have a thing named Dubai.
Well, you can speak on all of them.
You have a thing named Jerk Pan. Yeah man, big up Jerk Boss. Them 2 songs there, you understand? One of them owned by Downsound still Dubai, but one of them owned by Blizzard. The one named Jerk Pan. People look out for that one there. OneKnock. I can't tell this right now, Jerk Pan, every chicken pan sell off right now. I can't tell this, every chicken chop up. Chop up. You understand? My thing, my thing to stop you some people. You understand? A long time I go on music. I come from a group. That's why it's right, so I always keep a family around me. Come, I bless them, I do I share it. You understand? Remember they're only until now. I share music, I share what I have. That's why I'm here until this day. A whole heap of things, we say Blizzard, if you big up Blizzard because Jerk Pan song, it's like a turn up the world.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, that's how things there. Look out for Middle East too. OneKnock, I tell you about Middle East. Produced by Downsound Records. Yeah man. Featuring Eichel Marvelous. That me I tell you things, staying up star. Yeah man, hard for wash out. Wild over. Abu yeah.
No detergent.
So knowing that you have a lot of songs on the way coming out, fans can expect an EP or album or mixtape from you anytime soon?
No mixtape right now, EP me rap and scared to them. I'm also doing a reggae album.
Okay.
You understand? Because I know some Bland Ross cover all genre. You understand? Harry Toddler cover all genre and music, so guess what? So I'm doing a reggae EP titled Bland Ross. You understand? So I can't tell the fans I'm right across the world. Come and tell me why you work with them, show them look like my Rasta and I can't tell you. I mean say sell off, you know. And why I say sell off? Because everywhere I went, everywhere I go, it's sold out. I went to my man on the show. My thing a normal king, so I just thank God. Still there. Yeah man, LTR music up. Middle East. People are some things there. Yeah man.
I already mentioned European fans. How is the atmosphere over there when you step out of the plane in the airport, at the events and so forth?
From day one, never saw me come from a group, I'm scared of the number one dancehall group from Jamaica. Scared them crew. So remember, in my soul life right now, when I stop all of Paris, people, you have people create their own music. You have some song where it never played Jamaica yet. And that's the #1 song there. Come and do a song about Sweets and Rhythm. This woman that I have, I'm gonna love her forever. You understand? We reach one place name. We name Lil. When we reach a Lil, that was the #1 song in Lil. You understand? We reach a place named Burn. I got #1 songs there. You understand? Stockholm and all over the place. So when I go someplace, so guess what now? My thing, and a normal thinking, man, I dance all heritage. When I look upon what I go on. Because it's about not even trust certain people between them. So some of them I think want a friend from them. I live my life like I'm a music sinking, man. I swear I'm in a running.
I heard you mention something about a song that don't really play in Jamaica, overseas #1. So what is the difference between the fans here and fans overseas?
It's not like a difference, it's like you have some song, it just, the message, it don't catch. Local people. You understand, most of the message too bigger than Boya, so it could take on over one different place and just groove on it before it come back here. You understand? Because Egyptian song never bust, yes the first thing I came. Egyptian song bust America them first and before it come back out here. Some see going in the music, you have some song right now, you with them big out there. And when they play at Jamaica, nobody to listen, nobody to look on it. And there's some music still. Yeah, man.
Upcoming events, where can fans see you?
Right now, that I make is a man. When I tell line, you have some monsters them come on the interview, me and perform this and this and this, so that I don't know what I'm going right now. Joseph them have to tell me what I'm going. A small itinerary would I did it, but we don't know the stops them as yet. I must have one stop alone I have to do, one Minister Fiesta, St. Elizabeth, and I may keep it. I talk about shows, show for this year. The 2nd of December, the end of this year. That I mean, because man, we can't tell them Madam Minister, you know. You might tell lie, but we can't tell lie for too long. You understand? Because can't be able to want a bad blessing technique, man. God love me too much. So, I'm gonna follow some artists. Ask them come on the TV, yo, me have a Europe, me have America, me have Canada, that I mean, I have nothing out right now. I got one stop. I don't know my itineraries yet. I got one stop only, St. Elizabeth.
Alright, the 2nd of December. Where?
One Minister. A place near Santa Cruz, near a place named Leeds. It's like a fun day event where people are carrying the kids from there. We have 6-a-side football match and cricket and everything there. So and we have some giveaway for the kids under 10 years old. We have 100 kids under 10 years old. So and that me I deal with. So it's like I have King Ghetto, DJ Tom and Ravers, Ikel Marvelous and Flabba, the team shellers. And we have a sound named Eagle Force, yeah, and we have New Kids and Sound, Art of them Sound, no brain. So you don't know, so right now, it's a mixed thing, Kingston and St. Elizabeth mixed up in a one, so people look out for it on the 2nd of December, one knock I can't tell you this, Video Face that come cover all video, and you have a station named Reach TV, then I cover all things too, so it's a nice event. Like it appears on Papi Kilo, you understand, I was told by Terry Linen that I'm not going to stop and make our appearance also, and we haven't seen a youth named Madanjo. You understand? Madanjo is a toddler, and that's some of them think people, but these women know, as some grow, you understand? Kill my friend from there, I want my best friend, me and kill a cuss, me and kill a fight, we disagree, we agree, that's how friendship is, you understand? You don't feel like I had the man all the while, come out them, kill a similar come and right him and say, yo Patrick, that's when time he knows more my attention, and so when time I want him attention, I just say, yo Rodney, what I want, because sometimes, and I have some Papa Kilo every day now. But I'm a brethren. You understand? As some do each time. I have a time every day in Israel. But we keep the brethren-ship and I really think it's that. Because I'm a pretend to come from a group. You ever think they must big up me to culture and dynamite them because I'm a brother them from day one. You understand? I hold it for respect to that group there. And I can't tell us right now, being my brother, because he helped compose one of the biggest songs in the music. When I put on Dance the Angel, we love it. It changed my life, you understand? So, I have to big up Beat because it helped me compose that song, Gail Moses.
Sting.
Sting? I'm not sure, you understand? I'm not sure about Sting, but if Sting is around, I would be around, you understand? Because Sting is a great show star. Yeah man, every day I like them. Great show.
So where can fans find you on social media?
Social media, Harry Toddler. You have a thing there, you can follow me on IG, Harry Toddler 74. You understand? And for your Google Harry Toddler, I'm there. I'm heritage. I've been around from 1990. I did my first recording for King Jammings. So for your Google Harry Toddler, I miss a Google me. As I wake up, I swap turn up. Black number 1 minute, my diamond links turn up. Sick penny sitting inside, burn up, burn the green grass to that. As you understand? The thing turn up to that. My thing on a whole long thing. You can't stop the king, man. Because God said, he says, last year was Satan. You understand? And so our things there. One knock. Much respect, I can't tell them say right now. Dubai now. Dubai now. Hey, one knock go we tell them. Dubai now. Dubai now. Hey, Papi Kilo me say yeah. Dubai now. Dubai now. One knock go we tell them say yeah. Dubai now. Dubai now. Dancing time. Hey, Bucky Marshall, them a long street. Let out world a dance, make the whole world see. Tougher like baby land, start move your feet. When they play, the Dubai we a reach. Alright. Dance we a dance and I live with life. We don't care who are yet and fight. Run a mountain, start there, or shop side. Dubai, what is they say? Up there, yeah. Up there, yeah. Up there. One knock I say, up there, yeah. Up there, yeah.
Sensation, I want to play.
One knock I say, every selector, them a run with it. DJ time and ravers. Every dancers, them a dance to it. It's skin, man. Cause I know so who the can't fit. We go and burn the fire, make them wear it. Me say who the can't fit. We go and burn the fire, make them wear it. Papi Kilo, we burn the fire upon the men. We know you not go with them. No time at all, we not keep them friend. Them a men, so we not part with them. Remember say me a heritage. So me have to say, we got it like that. Half a year a girl on Friday, I'm not busy. I have a different girl every day, yeah. One knock what we say, hey, a beer girl, 1 week. We touch the road, the mountain girl, we swan week. Beer girl, 1 week. We don't know. One knock, bad man, not dressed like girl. Remember we not born nose and we not bleach face and we not wear jocker. Some freaky boy. One knock said, watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, know your friends. One knock, we not visit certain ends. That was it. Face they are rich stuff, nothing quiet about it. So guess what? Our things still can't be washed out. Yeah man, yeah. One knock. That was it. So, Papi Kilo, when I tell them about, let's tell them something about one thing.
I'm going to say one knock, because the Spanish boss attack, you see me? We have a new song, me and Harry Toddler.
Yeah, I mean.
It's all and we, because when we go party, we don't big drink, the bar all and we.
Man, we say kill dry choke.
We just say kill dry choke,
yeah,
people drink. Can look out for that one, I don't know if that one was saying that.
I might have one to you can't wonder that. You can't wonder.
I was saying, so now you have the intro man say something now?
I say make a party. Papi Kilo, we shell party. Make a party. One knock we left the bar empty.
It's all and we, the drink all and we, it's all and we. It's like me just get paid, man I live like holiday.
It's all and we, it's all and we. Check out the G, it's all and we. It's all and we. And we no love things free.
Listen, we drive up, we jump out a car.
Yeah.
Shell man, I shell down the bar. Table set so you know man, I start. Money, I spend me a part.
Can you step out and make anything?
See?
But we not make anything. Champagne.
Make anything.
Alright,
it's all and we.